Side effects of normal radiations are much reduced when we are giving radiation delivery with the using of tomotherapy equipment. The side effect of radiation, they happen when radiation falls onto the surrounding normal structures. And as we are able to reduce radiation which is getting onto the normal structures, the side effects will reduce. So what is happening now is that with advancements in the radio diagnostics and into the functional imaging like PET-CT, CT, MRI, we are able to localize and focus our area very precisely onto the tumor tissues. And with this, we are able to reduce radiation going to the surrounding normal structures. So it increases the focus on the cancer, hence increases the cure rates and reduces radiation exposure onto the normal structures and hence reduces the side effects of radiation. It is not advisable for a single or a particular patient to switch from one treatment modality to the another. Because in that situation we have to incorporate the radiation which already has been delivered. Technically it can be done, but then there may be complexities and very special conditions it should be done. It is better than when we are going to start radiation in a new patient, then we do the entire process right from the beginning and then it becomes more and more effective. This is one of the biggest advantage with a tomotherapy unit, since it is built on a CT scan gantry and the table moves when the patient is being treated. So we are able to treat large segments like in the total body irradiation which is required for the bone marrow transplant. We are able to treat the entire body of the patient, and it is very helpful for the patients who have to undergo bone marrow transplant. Well, chemotherapy means the use of anti-cancer medicines in the body, and since they are medicines, they go via blood and they circulate into the entire body. So that is how they are giving side effects all over the body. In radiation, especially with tomotherapy, we are able to precisely target the cancerous cells or the tumor cells. So with this, the side effects do not happen into the other parts of the body. It is very precisely limited to the area of exposure of the tumor. Hence, they are much less as compared to the chemotherapy. Form of SBRT is stereotactic body radiotherapy, and with this we mean that we are going to stereotactically focus our radiations onto the tumor cells. And it is of two types, like when we are using it in the brain we call it cranial, when we are using it into other parts of the body we use it SBRT or body radiotherapy. What happens in this, our x-rays are focused very sharply onto the tumor tissues, and very minute amount goes to the surrounding areas. With the result, we are able to deliver very high doses of radiation to that particular area. When we are giving it in a single shot, we call it SRS or stereotactic radiosurgery, and when we are giving it in multiple shots, then up till 5 sittings we technically call it SBRT, and beyond that we call it SRT. So with this we are able to give tumor ablative dose, or in simple terms a dose which can kill the cancer then and there. The full form of IGRT is image guided radiotherapy. What happens, let us say we have to give radiation to a particular area, we can say, let us say prostate. So the prostate is surrounded by anteriorly by the urinary bladder and posteriorly by the rectum. What happens that in day-to-day thing, there may be different filling or emptying time of the bladder, and similarly there may be gas into the rectum, or the rectum may be loaded with the feces. So the position of prostate might change on day-to-day basis. With IGRT or image guided radiotherapy, we are able to see the position of the tumor or the organ just before we give radiation. We are able to obtain a CT scan of a patient on the treatment table just before we treat. So with that we see what we treat. and hence we are able to very precisely treat the tumor or the cancer cells with IGI.